What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today it's gonna be a very quick and simple sit down talk vlog. So basically I'll just get straight to it. We got a new car coming. Now in this video, I'm not going to tell you exactly what car I bought and what's coming into the garage, but I will give you a hint. And the only hint that I can give you guys is that it has a CD player, an actual disc CD player that you would find in an older car. So, with that being said, I'll leave you guys to type away in the comments below of what you could possibly think is going to be joining the C7 in the garage. This car I've wanted for quite some time now, and I never actually thought I would be able to afford it and obtain it, but here we are in 2021 and fucking made it happen. So yeah, I'm super excited for it to come. Right now it's been paid for, so it's actually in Kansas right now. It has to get shipped, paid for shipping to get it shipped to California. So we're gonna be having some fun with that. My plans for the car, I'm not gonna go too crazy like I did on this car. Initially, I'm gonna leave it stock. It's coming stock, you know, so no crazy modifications or anything like that. But I'm gonna leave it stock for a little while, get used to the car, pretty much do exactly what I did with this car. Like my whole vlog started off with this car was stock, and then since I came back from Japan, I started modifying this car. So I'm kind of going with the same approach, but who knows, you know, maybe we'll start modifying. I did actually buy one modification for it that actually will probably show up before the car comes here, but other than that, yeah. But I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys like this new car that comes. And maybe a couple episodes back, I kind of hinted at this car might be coming to the garage, so if you want to go do your research on that, you can click a couple episodes back and probably figure out what's coming into the garage by watching one of the older episodes. But yeah, like I said, I'm super excited. This car, I'll give you one more hint. So it has a CD player. It comes in automatic. What's the last hint I can give you that won't give it away? Damn. CD player, automatic, and I think it's fast. That's the last hint. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. This car, it's one of those cars, man. It's just one of those cars that a lot of us want growing up. So yeah. But moving on from that, I've been seeing a lot of C8 Z06 news. I am actually very excited to see what the reveal. I think the reveal is later on this week, so we'll be actually seeing the car. Seen a couple of YouTubers and people post like the exhaust clips and all that stuff, and it sounds really good. Like it sounds like a V10. It sounds like a Huracan. But I'm really excited to see what the pricing looks like for that, and you know, dabble a little bit, and hopefully I'm not gonna promise anything. I think let's just say I'm really excited to see what the new C8 Z06 looks like and how it compares to the previous C8, and I'm curious to see what the prices or how the prices of the current C8 are affected by the Z06 coming out. My guess is that they'll tank, and maybe we can get a C8 in the garage at some point. Who knows? I really don't want to trade this bad boy in, but that's the only way I could get a C8 is if I traded this in. I've contemplated also trading this in for a C7 Z06, so that's also on the table. Or we might just keep this bad boy, because at the end of the day, this car has done a lot for me. It's got me to and from a million different places across America, and then on top of that, it's built the channel. So I owe a lot to this car. So the goal is to keep this car in the garage, but if the right opportunity comes about, then you know, you gotta execute sometimes. So That being said, upcoming videos to look out for. I'll do a steering wheel review, the carbon fiber steering wheel, what I think, thoughts and all that. Still got to do the MGW shifter review for you guys as well. That's coming. I'll be doing some POV drives in this, and then yeah, in about maybe, I give it about a week and a half, the new car will be here, so that will be a big reveal on the channel as well. But yeah, if you've made it this far in the channel, thank you so much. If you want to, you can hit subscribe. If you don't want to, it's totally cool with me. But until next time, boys, Lee Vlogs out.
Ooh.